Discord is the go-to place for gamers to interact with similar individuals, share their thoughts, and even watch video content together through its streaming capabilities. However, some are experiencing performance issues while streaming, where the video quality degrades and the audio becomes robotic while watching a stream. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. The issue seems to be affecting both the web app and the desktop version of Discord. Troubleshooting methods like turning off hardware acceleration, reinstalling, and restarting the system do not seem to solve the problem. This issue occurs while watching streams on Discord on a PC. Interestingly, users have reported that they can join calls and watch streams without any problem on their phones. Fortunately, we did come across a potential workaround. It appears that the latest public beta version of Discord seems to have solved the issue. You can try downloading it to see if it makes things any better. Do note that beta versions can be a little unstable. We hope that the developers acknowledge and fix the issue as soon as possible. We'll update an article about this matter as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.